Question number 3. Okay. So a copper wire has a true diameter of 42.03 millimeter. Okay. Diameter is 42.03 millimeter. The builder measures the diameter of the pipe 5 times. Okay. Using digital calipers, the measurements are shown. Measurements are shown over here. What describes the builder's measurements? What describes the builder's measurement? Okay. The first one is accurate and precise. Let me close this for a while. What describes? Okay, first one is accurate and precise, accurate but not precise, precise but not accurate, precise but not accurate. Now you see, the terms are only between accurate and precise. So what do we know? So what do you mean by accuracy? Accurate. What do you mean by accurate? You should get the same value. Are you getting the same value here? No, you're getting different values over here. So definitely it's not accurate. Okay, now it's not accurate, and then so therefore not accurate. C and D could be one of the right answers. So definitely A and B are incorrect. And then next is precise. What do you mean by precise? Precise. They are seen to be consistent. What do you mean by consistent? Consistent means values that can change, but of course, but it should be changing within a small, narrow value, narrow range. Okay, for example, if you look at this here, 48.0, 48.01, 47.99, see, one step behind here, 47.99, 48.01. So it is now fluctuating only between 47.99 to 48.01. So somewhere it is in close arrangement, right? So therefore, this is the right answer. It is being precise. It's been precise. So which is the right answer here? So it is not accurate, but it's been precise. D is the right answer.